gagamitin to?
Bagyo.
Bagyo. Ukay girly. Sarap ulit mag-ukay. Grabe kung may pera ka.
Alam mo yung, yung pen, kukuha ka. And then like,
Oo. This or this. Pogi.
I was gonna say this or this. This or this.
Ito. Siyempre.
Sige
Ayun.
Hanggang dito lang yun eh.
Tingnan mo, bagay siya sa color.
Ang ba eh. Pag winter, no?
Oo, pag winter.
Kailan mag-a-ice ang Pilipinas?
Global warming. Climate change. Pag ako nabudol dito.
Swimsuit.
Uy, ang ganda. Sorry. Ang ganda niya. It looks 2000s. Ay, ang hapa naman yan.
Alam mo yung gold or white?
Oo.
Golden white, black. Alam mo?
Ayoko.
Mas ayaw ko pa. Pwede na ako maging judge.
Lawyer.
Ay, ko lang.
Ano to?
Parang Halloween.
Oo nga.
Refreshment.
Uy, ito oh. Ang cute.
Ang cute nga. Di ba sabi mo, pink and purple?
Oh. Totoo yun. So, may nabili na siya na dress. And then, this is her first time going to Cubao Expo. Which bawal mag-vlog dito.
Bawal.
Yeah. Hello. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Wala kasi akong first guest. Ay, hindi. Ano? Second. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our vlog. Ngayon, nasa silingan kami. First time?
First time ko dito.
First time niya dito, and I told her to get the horchata.
Yes.
Kasi si Maria yung nag-introduce sa akin ng horchata. And nung natikman ko, I had my own iced latte. She had horchata. And then she's like, you should try this. It's so good. When I tried it, parang lumaki yung ano ko. Ganun na ang ka-OA pag masarap. Sana magustuhan niya. Kasi kung hindi, kukunin ko na.
Ano?
Kukunin ko na lang.
Hindi. Feeling ko masarap to.
Oo talaga. Actually, best seller nila dito yung horchata. Kaya, ayun. Masarap. So, never pa ako nag-try ng, I haven't tried any horchata at all. So, this is my first. I feel like, if people were to know about horchata, it would be like matcha. If people would like discover what horchata is, they're gonna be like, "Ugh, it's like the new matcha." Talaga. Ako, I tried matcha. Like way back when it became popular. Yung sister-in-law ko, sobrang mahilig siya sa matcha. Nung na-try ko yun, lasa siyang talagang cardboard. Hindi ko naman alam yung lasa ng cardboard. If I were to be a cow and I drink matcha, it's like eating grass. Mucha. It's okay. First date. First date. Go. Go.
Diba? I love yung not all yung mga commercials. So, pero totoo talaga. You taste the cinnamon. And then, it's also creamy. I didn't expect it to be creamy.
Oo, masarap.
I was expecting it to be like, I don't know, burnt leaves.
Burnt leaves.
Burnt leaves. Matcha. Okay. I'm so surprised.
Yeah, masarap talaga siya. Super.
Parang, ang daming flavors na hindi ko
Cinnamon talaga ng
Hello.
masarap.
Parang, I'm not kidding parang magiging favorite ko to, pero nasa tagig ko yung the fuck?
Diba? Masarap talaga. Like, silingan. Parang nawala yung anong label. Pero, na-drawing lang nila. Silingan cafe. punta kayo dun sa cafe kasi palagi nandito yung mga taga. In fairness sa yung nila. Dito sa mga dito ako. Tsaka muna pa siya. May mga breakfast food ano. Meron silang Korean hindi, Ligos. May tapa dyan, may sisi. Favorite ko is sisi. Tapos meron corn beef, tapos hotdog and egg.
Sorry, it's like when I taste it, I think it's like banana, but it's not banana. It's
Oh, I get it.
it reminds me of banana, but then I taste the cinnamon.
Parang siyang banana milk na hindi siya banana. Tapos cinnamon talaga. Ang sad lang sa mga
Ang sad.
ay, bakit ko nun? Yung mga hindi pa sa cinnamon. Di ba allergic? May mga tao na allergic sa cinnamon. So,
Sucks
it's
for
so
them.
sad. Sucks for
Sucks for
them.
them. Okay, I'm kidding.
Sarap
Thank you for
talaga.
introducing me.
Let's tell them how we met.
This is how I met your mother. I'm saying.
Gumanda yung quality na.
Okay. The first time I met her was two times in the classroom. The first one, I sat in her class because I was with friends. I sat on the floor. And then she was so kind. She was so kind enough to offer me a seat. And then at first I didn't want to because I was
Yeah.
kind of shy.
Shy.
I was like, no. So, ayun. Ayun. I think I sat down. Did I?
No.
No, I
You didn't
I stayed on the
accept my offer.
I stayed on the floor and wala lang, nagpo-phone na ako while their class was going on. And then the second time was
Rar.
yeah,
Hindi sila nagbe-rar. Wolf. It was a wolf game sa class. Sa class.
Okay. The second time was like in our class together.
Oo.
And we played Werewolf, the card game. So that was like
Oo, kasi kami yung wolf. Tapos, meron dun mga villagers. Ano ba?
wizard,
May wizard. Tapos may isa pa eh.
sorcerer.
Sorcerer ako. So, wolf ako. Wolf din siya. Tapos sinasabi ni sir na, raise your heads, wolf. Tapos pag-raise namin ng pag-raise namin ng head. Ayun, nakita ko siya.
And then sir made me the wolf again the next game.
Oo.
Well, it's suspicious na. But
Ang galing mo daw kasi.
and then the third time, I met her sa musical that I was starting in. She was one of the usherettes. I was like, oh, familiar mo ah.
Sa wolf, diba?
Yes.
Ikaw rin yung wolf.
And then
Pero yung first encounter talaga natin, naalala ko, wolf kami sa second game. Tapos nag-appear tayo. Kasi sabi natin tayo na naman yung wolf. Tapos sabi ko, oo nga eh, gumanon lang ako. Pero I went straight to the library kagad. Hindi ko siya masyadong kinausap nun. Pero,
the girl.
tapos, hindi natulog lang ako dun.
Okay.
Nung naging usher ako sa play, nakita ko siya. Tapos nag-tiktok pa ata tayo lahat, no? Nag-tiktok pa. Pag ganun.
Brazilian dance.
Oo. Asa na nga ba yun? Hindi na send.
A girl that's with me.
Sige ba na send? Oo, send mo sa akin yung story ko.
Akala ko sinend ni Christy.
Hindi, story lang niya.
Okay.
Hindi ko siya na-story kasi I just saw it. And I went on my day. Pero ayun,
Speak your truth. Sabi mo, who has the file? Kumain na yan.
so ayun. And then, I think, we were adding it. Nung nag-usher ako, kinausap ko siya, kinausap niya ako. Kasi ang ingay nito eh. Parang si Christy, ang ingay. So, kinausap ko siya. Doon nga! Sa play nga! sa play! Tapos nag-Brazilian dance pa tayo. So, ayun. Tapos tapos sinabi ko, do I follow you on Instagram? Do you follow me? Tapos we were adding each other. Tapos nakita niya yung friend niya nandoon. Si Bai. Tapos sabi ko, small world. Tapos sabi ko, kung gusto niya pumunta sa gigs, just or like hangout. Ito yung first hangout namin. Pero funny is that we were supposed to meet twice. Hindi na tuloy. Kasi it's either umuulan, it's either may ginagawa.
But at least, natuloy na.
Oo.
All this time.
Totoo yun.
Kung may gig ka, girl,
Hmm.
I wanna go. Pero,
Pero pag hindi sa akin, hindi ka masyadong...
hindi. Ako naman ako. Pumunta. Basta alam ko
Pero
yung
ano
lugar.
kasi,
Yan ang oras. Yeah.
Mostly kasi yung mga gigs na pinupuntahan ko,
Underground.
underground siya, pero it's until like 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. mga ganun na. Kasi show starts mga, 6, 7. Announce ko na. I am LOA sa school. So one of the things that I'll be doing during my LOA is to do vocal lessons. So nagko-choir na ako sa school, but I wanna like, sanayin yung voice ko.
She wanna exercise her vocal cords.
So ayun. And then, hahanap ako ng band members. Yung nakita mo kanina si Maria. Ano siya? She's in a band.
Drummer?
Ano siya? Bassist siya. So, we were talking and making plans to find a drummer and guitar para we can have a band. Pero, hindi na rin natin ito ngayon kasi busy. Pero oo, yung sinabi lang sa akin yung guy, nakilala mo na artist. Yeah, he was like, okay. But he told me that I can start my own by using BandLab.
It's an app sa phone.
Yeah, sa phone. Pero hindi ka naman marunong gumawa ng whatever.
Alam ko lang yung mga vocals, pero yung mga
Oo.
drums, and hindi ako
alam.
alam.
Hello, mga mami.
Hello po.
Ang ganda ng konti tulong ko pagka nakasip ko sa 50 lang po. Ang ganda ng makeup.
Thank you po.
Sorry po. Thank you.
What is 50? I was supposed to ask you. I was supposed to ask you what's 50. Pero she's like there. Kakaya naman.
No, kasi sa mga like, yung mga fishbowl, gano'n.
Oo.
Alam ko like, 50 like,
Wait,
sorry,
actually, totoo yun.
masyadong konyo.
Pero, I think the way we were brought up was because English talaga. So, when we go to like, kunyari, bibili tayo ng fishball and then they'll say 50 or whatever.
50 na lang po.
Oh my God. Oo, ganun talaga. Parang,
Parang nakakahiya naman. Ate, magkano yan sa English?
in English, minsan binibigyan ko na lang ng 50 or 100. Kasi pag sinabi ko, Kuya, what's that in English? Alam ko, there's gonna be people be like, arte mo naman.
Hindi marunong mo gano'n.
Oo, di ba Pinoy ka? Ba't hindi mo alam yan? Parang mga ganun talaga na tao.
Alam ko yung yung kay Dora, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I just want to say, wait lang. I want to say sorry also.
Why?
Kasi I didn't know who you were that day.
Mm.
I'm not saying I judged you. I'm saying, I think we were group mates at some point. Pero hindi natuloy. Hindi
Tapos,
natuloy.
lahat.
Wala lang, hindi lang natuloy sa art.
Ikaw ba yun?
I was in the group of that art. I'm so sorry.
Wala natin ba?
Wala.
Sorry.
Hindi, wala lang. Kasi I was like, when I realized like, who is that person? I don't see that person. And when I met you, I was like,
Actually, nalito din ako dun.
I was like, I
I was confused with the subject and the blocks.
I didn't know like you were in art class, and then I saw you in the class there. I was like, but then I saw you in a different class,
Yeah.
same art. I was like, this is the same class. So then
Yeah.
I got confused.
I got confused also.
I don't know. I'm really sorry kasi parang hindi natuloy na maging group
Yeah,
mates
it's
tayo.
okay. Don't say sorry. Kasalanan ko talaga yun eh. Napahiya ako sa sarili ko. Naging communication student na lang ako. Kasi it's aligned to like vlogging and advertising. So, doon sa ginagawa ko na course, we're like doing advertising class. So, pinapractice na namin kung paano mag-vlog, mag-podcast, tapos script writing, then research. Tapos, yung mga brands, ginagawa namin everyday, like every Monday, is to like make a advertising pitch. So, like, kunyari, yung na kuha kong brand is like H&M. How can you pitch like your project to make Gen Z
Like it.
or older people to like it? Parang ganun yung ginagawa namin. So,
Very on your feet ka, no? Idea. Dapat ang dami mong ideas.
so meron ako isang Nana Diaries na reel na na-upload was because aligned siya sa assignment ko. So I was like, you know what? Welcome to Nana Diaries ko ganun. This is for my assignment.
If you have another piercing, saan ka magpa-pierce?
Dito ulit. Actually, meron na ako. Pero I wanna be like tatlo. And then, I guess is another eyebrow sa kabila. Pero ayoko na yung dito. Ayoko.
Yung angel.
Ayoko.
Dati, may piercing ako dito, pero gusto kong dumagdag. Oh, problem is, hindi ako magdumagdag.
Ayun lang.
Ayun lang.
Pero,
So, okay, to be fair, the one who pierced me said, okay, put either alcohol, I know, it's so bad, alcohol or betadine na blue.
blue?
Blue na betadine.
Meron blue?
May blue. Blue is to kill germs. Yung yellow naman is to heal wounds.
Oh.
Yes.
Ano ba? Isn't that the green one? Hindi blue?
Hindi, may blue.
May blue? Oh my god.
I did alcohol first.
Actually, ako, when I got my piercing, bawal talaga ng alcohol and Q-tips. So, yung ginawa ko,
Q-tips as in like,
Q-tip.
Q-tip? Okay.
Q-tip. So, dito lang sa labas, nililinis ko. And then, sa inner is like hot water lang. That's it.
How do you think? So sa Q-tips, you also go under a bit?
A bit lang, like around the area. But not close to the piercing mismo.
Shit, I've been putting it near my piercing all this time. Kinda like, we're gonna make this clean. We're gonna make this clean.
Pero no, it's just like an inch. Like here.
Actually,
Ay, bawal talaga ako mag-facial piercing and tattoo. Pinagalitan ako. But at the same time, they're like,
school?
no, parents. Bawal talaga ako mag-face piercing or whatever. Sabi ni mommy na she will support me to whatever and stuff like that. Pero I have to be like ready for people to judge me. Ganon. To look up and down. And then they're gonna ask why. Or like they're gonna say, ang pangit ko daw because of the piercing. Ganon. So I'm like, I look pretty with the eyebrow piercing and stuff like that. And then, nung una niya ako pinagalitan, sabi ko talaga, in my defense, I said, at least I'm not pregnant. Because this one, pwede matanggal. Tattoo, pwede matanggal.
Ang anak. Mahirap ipatanggal.
Iba yung debate dyan.
Yeah. Hindi.
Iba na yung buhay mo.
Iba yan. Mas mahirap.
Totoo.
How can you be a kid or a teen?
How can you enjoy your adulthood? Yeah. Tapos sa college ka pa. Pero alam ko kung sino may anak mo sa college.
Meron. Dalawa.
Dalawa? We?
Oh, yata.
Wala. Wala. Naman.
Guting lang, guting lang.
Oo nga.
Check, at least, for us naman. I wanna enjoy.
Cheers to that. Huwag mo na.
Ako, anak lang, pusa, aso, rabbit. Okay na yan sa akin.
Pero pag totoong anak, I mean, totoong anak sa mga yun. Pero like, yung human. That's so different, bro. Like,
What were we talking about?
I don't know, I forgot. Ang dami na natin pinag-usapan. Oh yeah, I'm older than her.
I thought you were,
She thought I was 18 or 19. Yun na lang yung thumbnail natin.
Go. I consent. Yeah, I thought you were younger than me pa, actually. Or younger or same age.
Ako naman same age.
Yes.
Oo.
You're 20. Turning
20.
22.
I'm turning 22 next year. Crazy. Mag-lip sync na ako ng Taylor Swift na 22. Magugulat na lang yung mga tao. Taylor Swift?
Nag-fan ka ba? Ako hindi mo
Before.
Hindi ako familiar.
Before, during her country songs talaga. Like, when I was like mga 2000 until 2012.
Never got into it masyado. Yung mga mainstream songs niya dati, same more or less that. Pero hindi ako super like, alam ko yung album na, Fearless! Or alam ko yung album niya.
Hindi ako yung tipong Taylor Swift. Ako talaga
No girl.
si Yuki! Mutual ko, yung may purple hair. Yeah. Hindi pala siya. But, ayun.
Hi ka.
Yung ako kakaya. Girlfriend niya ata yung kasama niya. Roblox. Roblox.
Oo. Tara, hoarding sa'yo.
Sige. I'll download it again.
I have to remember my password lang.
Let's grow a garden.
Go garden.
Oo. Favorite ko talaga yun. Umiiyak talaga ako pag nawawala yung ibang plants. Pag nasisira. As in, parang akong bata. Yung magagandang kong plants, yung nag-grow ganun. Pucha, alam mo ba, pinaghirapan ko talaga yun. Kinuha ng isang bata, umiyak talaga ako. Ilang taon na ako, nung 19. Pucha, umiyak na 19 years old na nag-Roblox.
Okay lang yan. Okay
Grow a
lang yan.
garden. Miss ko na yung
If there's a will, there's a way. Alam kong cringy.
philosopher.
Alam kong cringy, pero to be cringy is to be fun.
Totoo yun. Sinabi ko yun sa story ko dati. Pinahalikan ko si shirt na. Hindi totoo nga kasi nasa Snapchat filter ako. Tapos yung hinahalikan ako ng shirt.
Sige.
Ginanon ko siya. Tapos sabi ko, to be cringe is to be free. Ay, hindi ko tala si Fox. birth. Put up pre. Anyways. Oh, may second floor. Pero walang window doon. May window kasi. So, I've been a FNAF fan when it first came out.
I got into it because of the animations sa YouTube.
Don't tell me. Are you those animations like fanfics animations?
And that's how I got into the
Oh
game.
my
Wait,
God.
wait. That's how I got into the game. And then I got into the lore, the bite of Zelda.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Do you know those animation of like Bonnie and Chica kissing or whatever?
I'm very cultured. I'm sorry, but I'm very
Ganun ka rin pala.
And then may drama din dati, itong kay Foxy and Chica. And then si Mango, like, come little children. Alam mo yun?
Grabe, those times.
Pero objective din ako sa game din. May fanfic side. Meron din like lore side. So,
Anong
give it
favorite part
respect.
mo sa lore?
Yung part na yung parang the little kid, I forgot his name. Parang nasa bedroom siya, parang it's all a nightmare. Sa game 4.
That's my favorite part.
Parang mas
intense.
And then after that, di ko na alam yung lore.
Pero that part 4, hindi ako nakatulog nun nung bata ako. Kasi meron din akong closet. Tapos may pintuan ako dito, tapos pintuan ng bathroom ko. So like, mukha talaga siyang sa game. Ayun. Hindi ako makatulog nun.
Naka-experience ka ba ng paranormal dati? Like,
Ikaw, meron ka rin.
sa AC, wala masyado.
Wala masyado. Uy, ito. Okay, so I was grade 7. And then, bundok kasi siya, di ba? So, meron travel dito. Yung classroom namin, high school is here, to the E building. Tapos mga grade school is more on the, let's say, if I'm facing here, left side, right side. So, ito yung chapel. Ito yung classroom namin. May walkthrough dyan, may pababa. Tapos mag-bathroom dito sa mga grade school. Yung nangyari is that, nung lunchtime na, tapos I was going to play badminton with my friend. May nakita kami priest na nandun sa teacher's room kasi may bata na umiiyak. Hindi siya makagalaw. Like, she was standing still and then they were trying to like tell her to move aside. Pero parang nagulat siya. Parang pag natakot ka, hindi ka makamove. And you're just like, parang ganun. She saw something. She saw a little kid crying sa bathroom in one of the stalls. Pero pagbukas, wala na siya doon. Like, narinig namin yung sigaw ng mga ibang bata. Kasi nakita nila na may parang bata doon. Na naka-uniform din. Sa CR. Tapos may dumating na police tapos they were blessing the washroom.
Do you think may namatay?
Ko na.
Baka dati pa.
Mga dati na.
I don't know my history masyado. Meron yung teacher ko may story. Like, alam mo yung CR malapit sa chapel doon.
Oh.
Chapel. And then may ito chapel. And then long walk. And then may stairs.
Oo.
Yung CR doon.
Oh.
Doon yung nangyari. So, pinento niya, like, as if nangyari.
Sa may dorm? Saan din ako umiiyak?
So, yun yung dating CR. If you notice, isang CR, may parang pendant. That's a CR. Sa girl CR, may pendant. Sa male, parang protection siya. Yung male naman, wala. Kasi doon na, hindi ko alam Basta, kwento nung teacher ko, nung high school, late at night, he was about to go home, pero nag-CR siya doon. While nag-number 2 siya, or something, may nahulog sa taas. Wala naman, di ba, stall, or wala namang shelf. May nahulog. Botones. Pagkuha niya, ito yung parang lumang panahon na botones. And so, dinala niya. Pagbalik niya sa office, tinanong niya, alam niyo ba to? Na nakita ko to sa CR, naglag or something. May dumating na sister, dumaan. Sabi niya, yan yung mga botones na ginagamit ng sisters ng unang panahon dito.
Oh my God, doon pa naman ako
unang panahon.
umiiyak.
Yung unang panahon. Iba pa yung uniform nila eh.
Yeah. Tapos, where ay
Pero hindi naman sa girls, sa guys.
Ah, so guys, okay. I thought,
Yun lang yung story na alam mo. Or narinig ko.
Bloody Mary. Diba dati?
Dati nag-ano kami na yun. Ano yun yung Charlie Charlie?
Oh, Charlie, yung pencil.
Minsan may mga gumagawa.
Sa Makati yun. So, wala ano. Pero anyways, ito yung hangout namin. And finally, hangout na kami.
Yes. And two more hangouts.
Two more hangouts soon.